So just a minute, guys. Yeah. So let me once check the video quality. How is it? Perfect. So hi guys. I hope every one of you have done with the costing exam. I hope you have done great. So this is a video regarding day before exam, CA inter audit related, what you need to do this 1.5 day, and what I am also going to work along with you this next 1.5 day. So first one, like day before exam, what are all the things that you are supposed to do? First thing, like there are 4 things which I want every one of you to do. Every one of you have to follow with these 4 activities, like 4 things that you need to do. First and foremost thing, you know, I have identified something called high scoring topics in CA inter syllabus. In CA inter syllabus, we have done something with the high scoring topics. Okay, like this, there is a video which is already given by me. If you just open caramharsha audit high scoring, if you type in YouTube, you will find this video. You go to this video, and here you just click comments. You go like if you go to the comments, here you will find a Google Drive link. You just click that, you will get this PDF. You will get this PDF. If at all you want to watch that video, just watch that video, which is just a 3 to 5 minutes video. So these are the topics which you must read before the exam. Like day after tomorrow exam, right? Before the exam, you must read these chapters. What are the chapters you see? Ethics and terms of engagement, audit report, completion and review, documentation, audit evidence, audit of banks, items of financials, and audit strategy. If you observe, for example, go to the same YouTube, just type with that CA caramharsha audit high scoring. Here itself you are getting a recommendation of my CA inter marathon, which I already uploaded, which is 7 hours. In this itself, in this 7 hours marathon itself, I have covered so many topics, which is completely based on GOAT notes. I hope many of you know that I have something called GOAT notes, like CA inter audit GOAT notes is there. So, and see, those of you who are already following this material, no problem at all. Those of you who have not yet followed this material, some other material you are following, please stick to that material. At last minute, never change your material. That is not at all a recommended choice. But for the revision purpose, I'll be using this material. So the first thing is, as I already told, topics you must read. Nothing but you just type in YouTube CA caramharsha high scoring, you will get high scoring video. 1 month ago I uploaded. 2, I have even one more thing called exceptional questions. Remember, there is a difference between important questions and exceptional. I never go with important questions concept because that is always a failure model. Exceptional questions. What is exceptional? These are the questions where when you read the question, you think of some answer, but in the suggested answer, that answer will not be there, something else will be there. There will be a very minor twist in the question that many students will not observe. So those kind of questions are called as exceptional. Exceptional question means there's something unusual, like the answer what you think may not be the actual answer. Like that we identified in the entire 11 chapters that we have in CA Inter, approximately 100 exceptional questions we identified. These 100 exceptional questions were given in the exceptional questions PDF. No need to worry. Go to our website srestafacacma.com. Okay, go to free resources. On the top you'll find free resources, CA Inter. You go to P5 Auditing and Ethics new GOAT note series. Inside this P5 Audit Exceptional Question Bank, this file is there. You download this file. Read this, as and when you finish one chapter, read this immediately. Now again, let me go back to the exceptional topics. I mean high scoring topics. Audit, ethics and terms of engagement. In this, except quality control, part 1 and part 2, those are already covered in my part 1 audit marathon. Then audit report is covered in my part 1 audit marathon. Then completion and review chapter. These are all the topics I am going to do live revision today and tomorrow. Documentation is already covered in my part 1, which is a 7 hours marathon. Audit evidence I am going to cover in a live marathon. This live I'm going to do today and tomorrow. I'll be doing certain live sessions there, and I'll be scheduling all the live sessions for you. Banks live revision I'm going to do there. I'm going to cover items of financial statements, live revision, strategy live. Now when I will do these live audit strategy topic today itself, 20th May itself I will do live. by night before 12 o'clock I will be doing this. Mostly this audit strategy topic I will do after half an hour itself. After I conclude this video, immediately within some half an hour to 45 minutes I'll start this live. Audit of banks also today itself I will do the live. If possible, completion and review also today itself I will do the live. Then tomorrow what I will do the live, 21st audit evidence chapter, 21st May I will do the live. Then audit evidence entire topics I will do live 21st tomorrow. Like these are the topics which I'm planning for live. Audit strategy today I will do it live. Completion and review today itself I will do live. Today itself I will do one more live also, fifth one, bank audit. What is some another one which I will do live is bank audit. So this also I will do live today itself. But what I recommend you is, first, to those of you who have not yet watched my marathon part 1, please, I recommend you to watch the part 1 marathon. After that you continue with these live sessions. If at all you already watched, then happily continue, join the live sessions. Then tomorrow this also today. Then tomorrow items of financials, audit evidence. These are the live sessions which I'm going to do tomorrow. And in these live sessions itself I'll be telling you how a different kind of questions can come in MCQ, how a different question can come in the form of descriptive. All that I'll be covering. Those of you who already watched my marathon will know how different ways a question can be tested will be taught. So most important, these are the topics. If at all you are studying thoroughly, ethics, audit report, completion and review, audit documentation, audit evidence, bank audit, items of financials, audit strategy. If you are able to complete these topics, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chapters, probably a total I covered 8 chapters out of the total 11 we have. If you are covering these 8 topics, trust me guys, pakka, nobody can stop your exemption. Forget about 40-50 mark. You can even get an exemption by just studying these topics. Even you see audit evidence, these are the standards which I am recommending students to read. Okay, but maybe in the revision, no live revision, I'll be doing 1 or 2 more standards also extra if my time permits. You know, these are the topics. Getting it? So that's it. So I have given already, I made a video already about this. Please go through with this particular you know, these topics pakka you must revise. That's it. Now once again let me summarize what you need to do. So cover part 1 marathon, which is already there on the YouTube. What are the topics that you must read? I already showed a list of it and corresponding video. Exceptional questions. What is exceptional questions? I told you. Live revision for few topics. What today and tomorrow live revision I'm going to do, I also spoke about. I think this information is sufficient. And remember, in the recent CA final audit exam, the paper was extremely tough. You don't believe it? In the history of ICAI itself, that's one of the toughest paper in the CA final audit. We don't know whether CA inter audit will be tough or easy. Don't believe anybody. Okay, nobody can predict it. So whether it is tough or easy, we don't know. But I want you to be prepared so that even a toughest paper you can answer. So this 1.5 day, be strategic. Do whatever I'm going to, you know, whatever I'm going to tell you here, implement it exactly. Focus on, suppose if you're listening to the class, just listen to the particular video and immediately read the book. Listen and then revise. So that's how you should do. Most importantly, observation. Your observation is most important here. So observe deeply. You know, revise from the book. Again I'm telling you, there is no shortcut here. Okay, in fact no, I will even show you, just a minute, I will just show you one work that we are doing. Just a minute, 1 minute, I will show you even the diagrams which we are doing. So 1 minute, it's updating. Actually just now my team has shared me one you know, work which we are doing. Yes, it is done. You see, we are also developing something called chart notes for various chapters, but these chart notes, they will be very tempting, but trust me guys, these chart notes and all will not give you much impact in your exam. What is best is, I always tell my students to go with my GOAT notes. If at all you want a simplified notes where entire CA inter audit can be studied within shortest time, this is a GOAT notes which is just a 260 pages. This is just a 260 pages. Entire audit is covered in 260 pages. Whereas if you see this one, chart book, it will be very tempting. Chart book will be very tempting. Because no, chart book, entire chart will be approximately some less than 200 pages, right? You know, 150, 160 pages, entire audit will be there. The chart book will be very tempting, but it will never help you to score in MCQ. MCQs and all you can't score. Descriptive also, it may not help you. You may not understand the question properly if you just purely reading from the chart book. But then why are you developing this chart notes, sir? This is only as a complementary to the main material, where where a student can see overall concept in a broader view. That's it. Chart book is not for revision purpose. Chart book is only for a brief idea, for a bird eye view sake. For that reason only we are making this chart book. For entire subject we are making this. So, but right now I'm not releasing this chart book because I know if I release chart book, you will read this chart book and misguided by this. This will not help you for your exam, guys. I'm telling you, this will be the purpose of this chart book is absolutely different. This is not from exam point of view. This is for an overall bird eye view point of view. That's it. But anyhow, maybe when I'm revising from the subject in the live revision, I might be using this chart book also for few topics. Okay, that's it. So I think I spoke about what exactly you're supposed to do, what topics you have to exactly cover. All that I spoke. Okay, why late? Go ahead, do well. Okay. Yes, I will schedule the revision from night 8 o'clock or 8:30. I will start one revision. Okay, night 8 or 8:30 I will start one revision. Then again further revisions. You know, in each live revision I'll be telling you what is the next time. Okay, that's it. But part 1 audit marathon is most important. That you must watch without a failure. That's it. Bye.